In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in or zoom out video on Clipchamp. First, open your browser and go to clipchamp.com. Because Clipchamp runs in your browser, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you have multiple heavy tabs open, close them to keep previews smooth. Inside Clipchamp, choose Create a new video to open a fresh project. Right away, bring in the footage you want to work with. You can drag and drop your file into the media area or use the import button to browse to it. Once it appears in your media library, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom. This places the clip on the stage, the large preview area, so you can see exactly what you're changing. If your clip's shape doesn't match your project's aspect ratio, don't worry, we'll address the framing in the next step. With the clip selected on the timeline, go to the transform controls. You can do this in two ways, either use the on-screen handles directly on the stage or adjust values in the side panel. To zoom in or out, grab a corner handle on the stage and drag inward to zoom out or outward to zoom in. Using the corners keeps your proportions consistent so the image doesn't stretch. As you scale, click and drag anywhere inside the frame to reposition the subject. This is how you recenter a face or important detail. To crop, activate the crop mode if you see a crop option, then pull the edges to trim away parts of the frame you don't want. Cropping combined with scaling gives you precise control over what fills the screen. If you notice black bars or unused space, switch between fit and fill options in the transform area to choose whether the entire clip should be visible or whether it should fill the canvas by cropping the sides. Keep an eye on image quality as you zoom in. Pushing scale too high can make footage look soft, especially with lower resolution clips. If something goes off center, use alignment guides that appear while dragging or reset the transform to return to the original view. Play a few seconds on the